That's Black Little Red Riding Hood in the African bush. But now we're in the river Mangroves, hiding our treasures and hunting crocodiles.
On est comme des pirates. On vient ici cacher notre trésor. Wow, we're in the middle of the mangrove. Luckily, there's no crocodiles here. T'as pas peur, hein? Ah non, quand même, t'es chez toi là. Alors qu'est-ce que tu ferais si on a un crocodile qui vient vers nous? Stuck. On est coincé. Est-ce qu'il y a des crocodiles là?
Oui, il y a des crocodiles.
Les Diola, ils sont honnêtes, ils sont gentils, ils sont fidèles,
Oui.
et ils sont méchants quand il faut. Non? Ils sont forts.
Oui.
Voilà. Ils savent se défendre. We're here. Just drifting with the current coming into the mangroves here. Qu'est-ce que tu penses, Mana? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait?
Retour.
T'as peur? We're kind of scared. Oh! This is a labyrinth. It just goes on and on. And I don't know. Kind of freaked out a little bit. We're going back. It's our first time in the mangrove, so we got to get used to it.
I was testing out the dinghy in Mana. Can she be a crewmate? Looks pretty positive here.
Time to go home. C'est l'heure de rentrer.
Oui.
On a bien mangé. On a bien découvert les mangroves. Moi, j'ai bien nagé. Mana, elle a pas nagé.
C'est très peur. Non, c'est pas nager.
Elle sait pas nager. Maintenant, on va rentrer en ville. Essayer de manger une pizza. Où sont les dauphins?
No dolphins, but I think Galopin and I have a new buddy.
Ah ouais?
I went to meet a couple of people. Mohammed and a friend I met in Dakar.
Alors je suis ici avec Cissé. We're here with Cissé, qui est de cette région de Bigogne. C'est un concepteur fabricant de pirogues.
En fibre de verre.
En fibre de verre, et on est en train de regarder ce qui se passe là en pirogue de bois. Ouais, il y a beaucoup de monde. Hein?
Ouais.
There's a lot of people in that pirogue. I think it'd be better in a fiberglass one, better made. That's the future. These pirogues are going to disappear. Et ils vont faire des pirogues en fibre, plus sûres.
Fibre de verre.
Ouais. Comme ça aussi, ça va arrêter d'abattre les arbres ici.
Cisse has a master plan to save the great trees here, and I believe him. He left for Guinea-Bissau for boat business, and I was done with my boat business, so we could head downriver.
Here we are, down the Casamance River. We're not quite at the mouth of it yet. That's almost where we're going. We're going just before that. Apparently there's a bunch of canals and that you can go up and little establishments, but meanwhile this is the river, man. This is so cool. Simon's been purring. We're going down with the current, and it's our first trip together, me and Mana. We had lunch and now she's taking a nap. I told her, go take a nap. It's her nap time. So we'll wake up later. Wherever we'll be anchored to mystery. This is like really desolate and private. Cool. Wow!
Mana says she has a small head. Has she seen my weird head? Anyways, we're under attack here. Dolphins are mugging Galopin. You can feel them push the boat around, literally. Watch out for the Dolphin River gang. They love messing with you. This is just one of the many magical things that happen here.
I'll never find someone like you. I'll never find someone so true.
It's a day trip from the city to get here, but we're not here or there yet. We got to go down here. It's somewhat confusing and you got to watch out for high ground. We don't want to get stuck in the mud, and it's getting dark. Holy jumping dolphins. And then
La princesse d'aujourd'hui. On va dans les îles. Voilà où nous sommes. Et notre ami Hervé, notre guide local.
Hervé was anchored nearby and came to say hello and to show us around.
No monsters.
Non, c'était le bateau qui a passé, c'est tout.
I had heard of this place from another French dude in the city. He had drawn me a map and it seems like we found it.
For you're all that I was dreaming of. I try to run, try to hide, try to put those fears aside. But the days and the nights you were there. I'll never find someone like you. I'll never find someone so true. Nobody like you. Nobody like you. I'll never find someone like you.
And Hervé is taking us to the bakery for fresh bread and the laundry facilities.
So that's the well. We've come to freshwater well here. People. C'est bon, je peux te donner les habits pour laver, hein, Mana. Tu vas travailler. Mana can wash clothes. It's good for arms and shoulders. C'est comme ça que tu vas rester fort. We're in the bush, guys. African bush. C'est bien.
Mais c'est très loin quand même.
C'est très loin, ouais. Allez, courage, Mana.
Oui, bientôt on va arriver. C'est doux.
Chez Doudou, ouais.
Oui. Après, au village.
Faut qu'on trouve un mototaxi pour rentrer.
Ça, on va pas trouver. On va avancer.
On va manger quelque chose chez Doudou parce que on a trop marché.
Parce que vous êtes très fin.
T'es très faim.
Oui. Je mange. C'est mon deuxième nom.
I love that about African women. They love food. Eating is a priority for them.
Ouais, ça, il y a le feu. Combien tu veux?
Ah, ça dépend de toi, je sais pas.
Comment
Je prends tout le plateau parce que c'est mangé.
Viens, on prend deux, au moins deux. Et puis on prendra deux pour rentrer avec nous. Hein? Au moins 4. 5, 6 peut-être.
We took our breads further along. Where? Let's see. Hope we get there soon. Mana's starving.
Ça va les pains? Les garçons? I love cows. Ok, on y va, on y va.
So this is the village. And this is Papis' place.
Bonjour, ça va
They
bien?
call these places campement, like a settlement with bungalows and a central area for guests. The guests, well, they must be ferried here on pirogues because it's an island. So it's pretty rustic and down to earth. Here, luxuries are earthly, not bling. We had breakfast here and Wi-Fi. Maybe we'll come back later, after a nap from the long walk. What do you think of Mana being the black little Red Riding Hood of the African bush? Me? I'm in photo heaven here. Golden hour light, amazing landscape, and a blazing subject. Huh.
African rules, man.
Thing is, we'll have to get back. And at night. I brought flashlights, but still. And then, Mana spotted something.
Somebody has put these little indicators to follow the path. Mana was clever enough to figure that out. I was like, well, what are these little things? She's like, I think they indicate the path. And she's right. There it is. Voila.
I'm in good hands with Mana. This is how I like to discover places. With a beautiful local who also protects my lily white ass.
Et là, il y a deux chefs.
But yet, what will she show me next?
Si je peux plus, si je veux moins, je fais comme ça. Mais si je veux que j'ai encore un, je le fais. Mais je ne veux pas renverser encore. Non, ça ne se fait pas.
Ok, d'accord. Ok.
Je le fais comme ça. Il faudrait que je l'assume. Je vois ça.
Tu l'assumes? Ok. Faut que j'assume aussi. Ok, on va assumer aussi.
C'est à toi de voir. Voilà, il faut l'assumer.
Faut que j'assume.
Ouais.
Oui.
T'as vu, c'est parfait.
Moi j'aime bien, c'est bon.
Maintenant,
Very good, delicious.
regarde
Très bon.
comment on fait chez nous. On ne fait pas comme ça.
Ok. Ah, comme ça.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.